Yo, my name is Benjamin, and I'm excited to introduce page effects. Built on top of the View Transitions API, Framer is one of the very first tools allowing you to design custom animations between pages. So let's dive right in. Here we are on the homepage of our demo project, and we now also get an effects panel here. Here we can add page effects to all pages or to a single page. This option is unique to the homepage. We realize, especially for larger sites, you often want to add the same transition across all of your pages. So this is our new page effect UI. We can target a specific page, but here we're animating between all pages. We also have a bunch of handy presets to pick from. And finally, we can design custom exit animations of the current page, as well as custom enter animations for whichever page you are navigating to, which for this effect is between any given page. If you've used effects in Framer before, these panels should feel quite familiar to you. There's a whole bunch of properties we could animate, and we can also define custom transitions. However, the defaults of our presets are really quite nice, so I didn't have to customize anything here. All I did was add the page effect. So let's go ahead and give this a preview. If I now navigate between pages, there's a subtle crossfade animation happening. Instead of each page appearing instantly, they gently transition into view. And you can combine this with all existing effects in Framer to create something that feels truly unique. So currently all of our pages crossfade, thanks to our special all pages effect that can be applied from the homepage. But what if we wanted to add something unique, like a custom transition when opening a blog post? So I'll select the blog index page and add a new page effect. And we want to target the blog pages from our CMS. So let's find it in here. So this will target all blog pages. Let's also use a different preset. I'll use wipe left. As you can see, that preset also only affects the incoming page. And let's customize this effect by taking a look at the mask property. This is a unique control that we designed specifically for page effects. And it includes a bunch of custom masking options that you can use within your page effects, giving you even more creative control. And all of these masks can be customized individually as well. For this one, let's decrease the width of the wipe gradient. And this preset uses a time of 0.4 seconds by default, which is fine for now. And next, let's go to the blog pages. Here, I'll add another page effect. I'll point it back to the blog index page. I'll use the wipe right preset, which really just sets the angle to 0 degrees here. And I'll also set the width to 20%, just like we did in the other one. So let's take a look at what we have. Opening any posts gives us this cool wipe effect from the right, and going back to the blog does the inverse. And as you can see, this works for any one of our blog posts, and switching back to the homepage would still give us a crossfade. And the same is true when going from home back to the blog. So let's recap how this works. On the blog page, we have a page effect that points to the blog pages. These are set to wipe left through a custom mask transition. And from the blog pages, we have a page effect that points to the blog with a mask that wipes to the right. Then on the homepage, we've set for anything else, so going from blog to home, for example, or from docs to updates, do a simple crossfade. And there are many more effects for you to play with, like circular masking, blinds, conic masking, and inset. And all of these are completely customizable. The possibilities here are endless, and we're super excited to give you full control. At the time of recording, these features have been available in Chrome and Edge for a bit, but not yet in Safari or Firefox. There, these effects will simply fall back to being instant. So nothing will look broken, and you can consider it a progressive enhancement. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.